What is he doing?
Get the fuck out of here.
I think he knows it's me. He just keeps looking at me. This is funny though. It's stupid. Nick, what are you doing?
Go, Wiley, go.
Put it right there in front of him.
Wiley, do it.
Or is it just gonna okay?
Do it, Wiley.
What?
Do it.
What the heck?
Do it, Wiley.
Nick, it was me. Are you scared of laser, Nick?
Fuck out of here. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Remember handshake?
Did you do it?
Remember?
Yeah.
He still remembers me.
Good shit, good shit.
Why are you scared of laser? Why were you running? I was trying to get you.
I was trying to stay out of the laser.